Hi, Pete Swartz here today for Francie Seamless Gutter. Dan Francie is in the seamless gutter business and he does exteriors, cultured stone, all kinds of exterior work, siding, windows. If you're looking for a free estimate on your work in the West Branch area, give Dan a call at the number on the screen or the number on his trailer. He'll give you a free estimate, get you all set up for any of your exterior work. Garage doors, anything on the outside of your house. So give Dan Francie a call at Francie Seamless Gutter. Pete Swartz of Marketer Marketing. Have a good day.